stole his wallet and cell phone. The wife was not hurt, but her husband died at the scene.
And we just checked with the Montgomery County detectives. This Glendora woman who vanished while on her way to the hospital to visit her newborn kids is still missing. Angela Porter Russell was last seen on Thursday, December 18th in Patton Village. Now that day, she was supposed to pick up her son, daughter-in-law, and their new twins from the hospital, but she never showed up. Her family has plastered the area with flyers, hoping someone has seen her or her white Ford Taurus. They're worried about her health problems, as she recently had a heart attack. Officials say they've interviewed a number of people.
Police are on the lookout for four men who tried breaking into